Hello friends and welcome to yet another exciting episode of Yuva Bharat with me Shaunak, and on the first segment today I'm going to talk to you about a t-shirt brand from India which became a cult brand in fact. Now I'm talking about Tantra, which was born in the year 1997, India's answer to Just Do It. Now Tantra is an alternate form of casual wear. In fact, it is something which has really struck a chord with the youngsters today in India and around the world. Its witty comments as well as sharp ones have really captured the imagination of youngsters who are looking out for an identity that they can relate to. But the really fascinating story is that our Ranjiv Ramchandani, the brain behind Tantra, who's originally a microbiologist turned copywriter, and he has also served as the Associate Creative Director at Triton BDTP. Fabulous, isn't it? Here is the complete story.
Creativity manifests in many ways. Sometimes it finds its way on a piece of paper, an empty wall, a piece of rock, or on a t-shirt. Today we will meet a creative entrepreneur, Ranjiv Ramchandani, who has captivated the imagination of youth with his cult t-shirt brand, Tantra. Let's meet him and know more about his success mantra.
A normal guy, average guy with average marks in school. I was not doing anything spectacular, and in fact at the recent school reunion, half the people didn't even know who I was because I was so quiet in school. But I think around the time of my teenage years, I kind of opened up and started looking at things differently in terms of chasing my own individual personality rather than just doing things by rote. So that's what I continue to pursue even today.
Tantra, a t-shirt brand which prints wacky messages, is the brainchild of Ranjiv, the admin turned entrepreneur who sells India on a t-shirt.
There was a trip I did in the mid-90s to the UK, just a summer holiday, and I went up to Scotland, and I saw these beautiful T-shirts on Scotland, which is the sheep, the beer, the whiskey, and whole thing expressed through a T-shirt. And I said, wow, this is fantastic. For a creative person to express himself on a T-shirt is something that it really very exciting. When I came back, I saw in India there was nothing like that in India, where you express what your country or what your region, in a very fun way, in a very modern and very contemporary manner, without it being fuddy-duddy or not very cool. So that's where I said, look, I think there is a scope right here to plug this thing, wherein I can express myself, and hopefully I can make a little bit of money, if it works, So that's where we got the germ. I got the germ of the idea to get into something like this, and the whole process started from there. Well, the definition of Tantra is a search for ecstasy. That's in its truest form. But Tantra, the brand, stands for youth culture on a t-shirt, and specifically in terms of the Indian context. So what we try to do is take India as the base, as a subject base, and convert it into a whole range of t-shirts that we do along with our creative team. Well, I mean, we at this office, which is the Tantra office, we've got a team of people who are not necessarily designers, but they perform an equally important task, which is producing the product, the back end work, all the work that you don't see, because the customer only sees the creative and he thinks, wow, it must be, you know, a party, 24-hour party, but it's actually the hard work of everybody out here.
Strange though it may seem now, Ranjiv didn't set out to become an entrepreneur. He studied microbiology at Jai Hind College, Mumbai, and worked as a microbiologist for a few months. Later, he joined advertising to satisfy his creative urge. His unusual creativity saw him climb the ladder quickly.
My school was St. Xavier's High School, which is right in town, South Bombay, and I passed out from there and then went on to do science in Jai Hind College, which is again right here in South Bombay. And after college, I graduated, and I really wasn't very sure what I should be doing in life, quite frankly. And in fact, went and did microbiology, and I did the whole course, and you know, I was in a lab coat and testing urine and stools and stuff like that, testing blood, and somehow it didn't fit into what I wanted to do in life, and that's where at some point I said, okay, this is not me, and this is what I want to be, which is, you know, get into a creative field, and that's where I got into advertising. I did a creative course, and I got into an ad agency as a copywriter, and finally I quit the whole agency business and decided to start the t-shirt brand Tantra. But my family thought I was crazy because I was giving up something which was obviously making me a lot of money monthly. I was getting a secured pay packet. I was getting all these fantastic trips to Cannes and to Singapore and to South Africa. I'd go and do conferences here and go and attend this. So it was, you know, I had a good company car and everything, all the comforts of life that somebody would look at you and say, oh, okay, or he's well settled, you know. But at the end of the day, it's not just about money. I think money will come to you if you chase your dream first, you know, and if you chase your real inner calling, you know. And I think if you can do that first and discover yourself, the true yourself, the inner yourself, you really discover it, I think money or whatever it is will follow, you know. That's my thinking about it, you know. Yeah, I started experimenting right from the time when I was in advertising. So my weekends used to be my period where I used to try out ideas on a t-shirt, you know, without telling my bosses there. So every weekend I was out and I was trying out these little things. And then I managed to convince 3 or 4 other people in advertising to join me. So initially we were 4 of us, you know, and gradually people just dropped out because, well, nothing happening for 3 months or whatever. So it's better that I stick to my, you know, permanent job. So those guys dropped out, and of course I decided to quit my job and start this Tantra.
Time now for a quick little break, but when I return, more from Ranjiv Ramchandani and his endeavors. So keep watching Yuva Bharat.